Welcome students. In today's class we can see about the abnormal breath sounds. The abnormal breath sounds occurs due to obstruction, infection, inflammation or fluid accumulation. The common abnormal breath sounds are wheezing, ronchi, stridor and crackles or trails. Wheezing. Wheezing is a high-pitched continuous sound like breathing whistles or musical. The sound looks like a breathing whistle or a musical sound. It is seen in bronchial asthma. The disease condition in which wheezing is seen is bronchial asthma. Next is ronchi. Ronchi is a low-pitched, continuous, rough sound. It is a low-pitched, continuous and rough sound. It resembles the snoring. It is seen in disease condition, that is COPD, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. So ronchi, it is a low-pitched, continuous, rough sound. It resembles snoring and it is seen in COPD. Then stridor. Stridor is a harsh, high-pitched, wheeze-like sound. It is a harsh and high-pitched wheeze-like sound and it occurs due to the upper airway obstruction. It may occur due to some foreign body aspiration in the upper airway or some ingestion of some chemicals. And in disease condition like tonsillitis, epiglottitis and laryngotracheitis, also this stridor may occur. And the last one is crackles or rails. It is a discontinuous and clicking or bubbling like sound. It usually heard when the person inhales and it occurs due to pulmonary edema, that is in disease condition like left ventricular failure or chronic renal failure, pulmonary edema occurs, and in such condition and also in pneumonia these crackles or rails are heard. So in this video we have seen about the abnormal breath sounds that occurs due to obstruction, infection, inflammation and fluid accumulation. It may be wheezing, ronchi, stridor or crackles or rails. So thank you for listening. Follow the coming classes.